Today's weather is sponsored by McClintock Preferred Finishes, wholesale and supply store, with 2 locations, one in Paducah, Kentucky, and the other in Evansville, Indiana. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Beau Dodson. It is November 17th, 2016, and wow, I don't even know what to say anymore. October, record warms. November, probably going to go down in the top 5, top 10 warmest November since the 1880s. October ended up being the second or third warmest since the 1880s. Here we are looking at the surface map today. We have an area of low pressure over Iowa. And look at these warm temperatures. My gosh, 79 degrees in Evansville, in the 80s over St. Louis area, some more 80s over southeast Missouri, West Kentucky, and South Illinois. This is an amazing air mass for this time of the year. But look to our northwest. A blizzard or near blizzard conditions are possible over the next 48 hours to 72 hours. Well to our north, parts of Wisconsin will end up with some snow, Minnesota, the Dakotas, and that's behind this area of low pressure. You can see these temperatures into the 30s as that cold front moves eastward. Now that front will move into our area on Friday morning, precipitation probably starting over southeast Missouri, and then spreading eastward through the day. I'm hoping most of Friday night will remain dry. I suspect there will still be some showers Friday evening, but I am hoping most of the precipitation will move off to the east. It will turn colder. Enjoy today's temperatures because Saturday and Sunday, temperatures may remain in the 40s for daytime highs. Take a look at Futurecast radar from the NAM model guidance, and we'll watch the cold front tomorrow morning into the afternoon hours, spreading eastward, and by late morning, probably some showers already in southeast Missouri. And then as we move through the afternoon, showers are spread over the rest of the area. Exiting tomorrow evening leaves us dry later on Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday. Let's take a look at high temperatures for the next few days. Now, we will be cooling down, especially on Saturday and Sunday. Then we'll warm back up a little bit on Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, a better warming trend ahead of another rainmaker. We'll move through here, take us into Friday afternoon. You see temperatures ahead of the front, well into the 60s, probably some 70s on Friday. Again, increasing clouds as the rain shield moves from west to east across the area. Look back here in western Missouri. That's the cold front. We'll watch that advance eastward through Friday afternoon into Friday night. We'll move ahead to Saturday and we'll look at high temperatures only in the 40s. Coolest day of the autumn season thus far, probably going to be on Saturday. We move ahead to Sunday and we see temperatures again mostly in the 40s, maybe some 50s over southeast Missouri and western Tennessee. We'll keep an eye on that. Bottom line for Saturday and Sunday, it's going to be chilly. It's going to feel like autumn. We'll move ahead to Monday. We see temperatures into the 50s over most of the area, if not all of the area. And then we'll move ahead to Tuesday. Again, middle to upper 50s as we warm up ahead of another storm system that approaches our region on Tuesday and Wednesday. Perhaps some more showers, maybe a thunderstorm. We move into Wednesday and we look at high temperatures into the 60s, well above normal. Here comes that next storm system with some showers and storms perhaps again Tuesday and Wednesday. Moving to Thanksgiving Day, a cool day, but not too bad. Temperatures mostly in the upper 40s, perhaps lower 50s. At this time, I'm not expecting any precipitation on Thanksgiving Day. But as we move into Black Friday, shopping day for some of you, probably another storm system approaching our area with another chance of rain. Not seeing any snow or ice in the forecast just yet, but we are entering a more active pattern. And so that means at least some chance as we move into December. If we stay in this pattern, we probably will have a couple of snow events to track. Let's take a look at the long-range models, the GFS in particular. We see these tied isobars. Isobars are equal lines of pressure. Here's our low, 999 millibars over western Iowa. That will move off to the north and east. That places, of course, in the warm side of the storm. Low pressure rotates counterclockwise. Cold back here. Winter storm warnings, perhaps some blizzard conditions across portions of Nebraska, the Dakotas, Minnesota, snow into parts of Wisconsin, showers and thunderstorms in our area. Let's move forward and we'll watch that system. There it winds up. Look at the heavy snow back here. 997 millibars, tight pressure gradient, windy day ahead of us on Friday. Here comes the band of showers and thunderstorms as that low pulls up some moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. Not a lot, but enough to spark a band of showers and thunderstorms that will push through our region Friday afternoon, Friday evening, departing our area. GFS even shows some snow over parts of northern Kentucky, eastern Indiana. Not in our area, not expecting any snowflakes, but close, and that's just a sign that the seasons are changing. We move forward in time and nothing to worry about on Saturday and Sunday. As we move into Monday, we warm up a little bit, and then let's watch this next storm system. Here it comes again. Now, for us to get snow, that low pressure needs to track through Texas, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, maybe Tennessee. But this one passes to our northwest again, so that puts us in the warm sector, colder to the northwest. We'll watch that move in here Tuesday or Wednesday, Tuesday night, Wednesday. Still working on the timing of that front. It will pull up a little bit of Gulf moisture. Again, not a lot, but enough probably to spark a band of showers, maybe a thunderstorm. Keep moving forward in time. We'll go to Thanksgiving Day. High pressure builds in. That means cool weather, as I mentioned earlier. Sorry about that. This high pressure will build in. Cooler air filters into the area for Thanksgiving Day, Thanksgiving night. Now, as we move into Black Friday, we're going to watch another storm system. Notice how active it's becoming. We've had dry weather, drought for the last 2 months. Now, all of a sudden, a parade of storm systems moving into the central U.S. That's a good sign. Storm systems bring rain, and we're seeing them frequent now on the model. So maybe we're finally going to flip the pattern into a more active weather pattern where we start to see more rain, thunderstorms, and eventually some snow. Keep moving forward here. Friday afternoon, Friday night, Saturday morning. Low pressure pulls off into Michigan. Band of showers moves through our area. Again, colder air moves back down by Friday night and Saturday. Behind the area of low pressure, it will pull in some colder air. We'll move forward Saturday. We'll move forward Sunday, no problems. Hopefully the rain will end by Saturday morning. We do see here next Monday on the 28th, we're closing out November soon here, another area of low pressure over Iowa and Illinois. Snow to the north, and it's trying to pull up some Gulf moisture in our area. So we'll keep an eye on that, maybe another rainmaker. Keep moving forward. This takes us to December now. Big storm off the East Coast, but fairly quiet here the first couple of days. But watch what happens as we move into December 3rd, December 4th, a very large storm system showing up on the GFS. Now, keep in mind, we're way out into the future at this point, 384 hours to be exact. Models don't do very well past day 5 or so. We'll keep an eye on it. The bottom line is we've got a parade of systems over the next 2 weeks. Good sign. Maybe we can finally break this drought that has been with us over the last 2 months. Again, I'll start issuing winter storm forecast next week. Be sure and sign up for the text messages at www.beaudotsonweather.com, and Beau is spelled B-E-A-U, beaudotson.com. Sign up for the text messages and you will receive notifications on when the winter storm outlooks have been posted.